Hello everyone and welcome back to the SuperTeki channel. Today we're talking about Chia again. There is a new update out there. Today is the 20th of February. They just released an update last week, but this week we've got a new one. And if you open up your Chia and then go to help, check for updates, you will see that we've got Chia 2.5.2 available. And if we click on the release notes, we can see what they have changed. Chia 2.5.2 is now available for download. This release features optimizations and bug fixes, including the fix to the bug found and mitigated last week. So we recommend everyone upgrading to this release. So what's changed? A few of the fixes: validate fast forward spends before adding their spend bundle in the mempool, create a mempool item out of copy of input one when processing fast forward spends, harden mempool fast forward feature, improve handling when non-Chia forked chains connect to Chia nodes. Let's go back here to Chia, and if we click here on the download page, so you can either download from here or you can get the binaries from here, and I prefer always to go over to the chia.net/downloads page, and here is 2.5.2. Just click on download. This will now initiate Chia downloads. You can see here it has initiated and we are going to install it. I am going to close Chia. So exit. Do you want to quit? Yes. And let's go ahead and install. So it's still downloading whilst it's still also closing. I always close Chia before performing any updates. If we go over here to the downloads, so you can see here, so we've downloaded Chia 2.5.2, double click on it to open and install. So let's go through the update, and here I have to accept only for me, and let's install it. Once I have installed on this computer and I've made sure that everything is running, then I can install my main farmer, which is in another location. So let's wait for this one to complete. And right, so completed. So next, now we're going to launch Chia. Make sure Chia is running smoothly without any issues. I am gonna wait until tomorrow to update my main farmer, because I want to confirm that everything is just running fine first on my test environment before I update my main farmer. So it's starting services. So far so good. Everything is going smoothly, and this is on Windows, so I don't know about other platforms. And here we go. It has now started, and it's going to synchronize the wallet as well as the full node. Okay, this is it for today's video, for this update. Quick and simple, nothing really out of the extraordinary with this update, and everything so far so good. So it's just going to synchronize. It's going to take a while, and once it's synchronized, it's just going to start farming. I usually keep this farmer off, so Chia is usually shut down here, so I just powered it on from time to time to synchronize the wallets and to make sure that it is working on this environment. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.